'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the first of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree.
Really? That's gonna be nice. Oh,
It's so easy
nice weather.
to fall in love.
We're reached out to see. Bling bling. And I feel like this. Yeah, it's nice too. We're like show how we walk through the street. Wait, what? So I do this thumb movement, so I take one from behind and then I push it down with my thumb. And then I do really fast. And also I move it and like let go of a few cards. You see? I don't know if it's a good shuffling method. It just looks cool because I can do it fast. Is it a big one? I don't know. You want to try?
I want to.
Okay.
See, because I'm bad at this. Maybe I try this side, like this one.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Thumb is here. And you move the thumb.
I have to move these like. Oh, maybe the fan.
Yeah, and then you do it fast. You kind of like throw the cards with the other hand, like choo 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 choo. Yeah, like.
I think like 5 cards might be so
Enough?
quick, right?
Yeah. Maybe we can do
10.
like we can increase the card numbers. Wait, let me check what my boyfriend maybe text about it.
Or not going.
Very good. Oh, he also posted me. You want to see? Let's see. He posted this picture and this picture. I took this picture. That's our friend.
Oh, they also like gym guy,
Yeah,
right?
they're so tanned because they wear t-shirts and ride with the motorcycle. Like my boyfriend got a sunburn. Like his arm from here was like brown and like up here red, and then his t-shirt is like here, so white shoulder.
Wow.
Okay, 10 cards.
Yes.
Okay.
With 10 cards, then we likely to have plus.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Let me begin because I lose again.
Let's go.
Wow, I can do nothing. Oh yeah.
3. 2. 2.
2.
2. But plus 2.
Plus 2.
Plus 4.
No way. Okay.
Like if you have reverse, you can put it, right? Like,
Which color?
okay, we choose green.
Oh man. But I can still use the reverse card?
Reverse.
Or does it have to be the color you want to?
It has to be the color I want.
Okay, then I have to pull. Okay, 8. Okay, let me see.
1. 7. Oh no. Oh no. 6, 7, 6, 7. Reverse. Oh, 9. Nice. Hey,
Okay.
why so quick?
Which color?
Green.
Okay. Uno, blue.
Oh my god. Blue? Oh no.
Okay, uno. Yay.
Oh wow.
Yes. Is your boyfriend a smoker, by the way? He's not, right?
He's not drinker and also not smoker.
Is he religious? Like,
Yeah, he's Muslim.
okay.
But it's not like quite impulsive on me. Like he just let me choose my own. Like it's not like because he is a really religious one. I have to. So he said that yeah, it's up to you.
Okay.
I need to.
The kids got you.
Yes.
They got you into their spell, their 6-7 spell.
Again. Two.
Uno.
What? 9.
Uno.
Wow, lucky you. Why was so quick? Look at these. I have +4. and
they're only good cards.
+2, yeah. But I didn't put it.
Girl,
I just thought like
that's the mistake.
yeah.
That was the mistake.
Regret, so regret.
Oops.
Yeah, always like I did like these. But it's like okay. And so this is regret.
Yeah.
Is that
8.
8?
8.
Okay, 8.
8's enough?
Oh,
Okay.
4.
Okay, you may pick.
2. 3. Oh my god. Let's take 1. One more. Oh, 3.
Okay. Let's see. This.
1. 1. Oops. 6. 9. 2. +2.
+4.
Color, you choose color.
Blue.
Blue. Reverse.
Oh shit. +2?
Reverse +2. So it's my turn,
Yeah.
right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Yes. Oh my god. This is gonna be the fan.
Well, I gotta be honest, do you think they are real art? They kind of look AI to me.
Yeah. I think it's AI too.
Oh man, that's kind of embarrassing.
Because it's look too perfect.
Yeah, right? And like, I think the first one looked... On the cards?
Oh. And then we have to move one card. Or maybe as your wish, like many cards that you can. But don't let these built-in
Oh, okay, I see.
collapse.
Okay.
Again.
So just taking your cards away?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Just taking it away one by one. maybe you can take that. Oh my god, you.
Oh, I'm be greedy.
Whoa. Look at this house.
Oh my god.
Oh, you can get these too. Oh my god, look at these.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Where should I take it?
Oh,
No, I should not, right?
no. You lose. Hee.
Okay, again.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I see how it works. Okay, let me. Okay, you might begin. You may begin.
Do your trick.
Oh. Mm-hmm. It's trembling. It's not moving. Okay. You can do it. Can you?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
Let's see.
Now you're the rich one.
My turn.
Oh.
I will move the house here, then I can take from here.
Okay, that was smart. Oh.
Quite challenging.
Good. Okay, let's see. Okay, you begin. Yeah, valid. Solid, solid.
Whoa, smart.
Okay. Oh my god. Damn, that was quicker than I thought. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit more difficult.
Yeah. I should not put it like this.
Okay. What the hell? I just touched it. Oh my god.
I have to put it like this. A little bit grounded. Whoa.
Very not elegant. Stable. Okay. Okay. Oh! Hello?
Oh no.
Wait, let's do it again one more time.
Maybe we try this way.
Okay. Oh yeah, looks good. one.